in this video. Is the Bitcoin price forming a massive double top in the daily time frame? And we are also going to dive in within the shorter time frame and understand what is next for the Bitcoin price action. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you some quick recap of our previous analysis. So, diba sa previous analysis, ang minomonitor natin actually dito was this daily time frame na 200-day moving average kasi previously, nag-breakdown tayo dun sa 100-day. And the 100-day is the orange line. Previously, dun kasi tayo nakakuha ng support whenever na Bitcoin is declining, we are getting a bounce sa 100-day. Ganun din yung nangyari sa mga previous movement. However, sa latest movement, diba sabi ko sa inyo, if nagkaroon ng candle close, then we can directly go down to the 200-day. And right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is still on its way to the 200-day moving average. So this is indicating that we can still go lower and still touch the 200-day. So ang magiging clear actions nito is we are going to touch the 200-day moving average. And then from there, we are going to understand what is next dito kay Bitcoin. But on top of that, diba sinabi ko na sa previous video, you have to watch out if we are going to form any signs of divergences dito wherein the price is declining. I know, whenever na Bitcoin is declining, pababa ng pababa, I know, if naging ganun yung scenario while RSI is still increasing, then those are traditional signs of a bullish trend reversal. But as you can see, wala tayong nakikitang divergences. As you can see, Bitcoin is declining, but as you can see, it's consolidating. So, ang mangyayari dapat is mas lower yung Bitcoin price action as compared sa mga previous low. At the same time, RSI is increasing. Ang nangyayari lang is sideways price action si Bitcoin. So, this is not a divergence. So, wala tayong nakikitang any signs of a bullish trend reversal. Now, as you can see, wala na tayong other clear opportunities dito. So, I think the best thing to do dito is to wait this one out for the short term. But, ito yung maganda pag-usapan, which is in the bigger time frame. And as you can see, if you're going to plot a support line dito, you can actually see a M pattern or a double top pattern. And traditionally, a double top pattern is a bearish trend reversal indicator. And yeah, ako personally, I don't want to see these kinds of things when we are actually waiting for a bullish movement. But yun nga, this is a bearish pattern. So in this case, we actually have to put this into our plan and strategy. So as you can see, ang traditional movement nito is you're going to get the height of this M pattern, then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. So you can see na if you're going to break out dito, ang magiging target point muna natin is we have to see if Bitcoin is going to the 58,000 US dollars. Then if mag-touch na tayo sa 58, or siguro let's try to put a more consistent support area kung saan tayo nagkakaroon ng bounce usually, which is around the 60,000. So, and let's say dyan, then lagay natin yung ating updated na target area. So, as you can see, if we are going to get a breakdown dito, what must happen dito kay Bitcoin is we must see a breakdown with sell volume upon this bearish breakdown. Kasi if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng breakdown dito tapos wala namang ganong sell volume, then that can lead into a fake out. So, in that case, if let's say magkaroon na tayo ng breakdown, dun pa lang tayo mag-open ng short position tapos mag-set lang tayo ng stop loss around that area. So, take note, if this is going to have a bearish breakdown, we are going to open a short position dito, set a stop loss around the 61,000 US dollars, and then ang magiging target natin dito right now would be around the 50,000 US dollars. So, as you can see, Bitcoin can go down even much lower to the 50K if this is going to play this bearish pattern. So, right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring, this bearish pattern. Now, we are not going to trade this yet, not unless or not until we see a Bitcoin breakdown with sell volume. So, hanggat walang sell volume and hanggat walang breakout, then we are not yet going to trade this. So, the only time na we are going to trade this is if magkaroon ng breakout with sell volume. So, sa ngayon, yun nga, wala muna tayo ita-trade. And di ba sinabi ko sa mga previous video natin na around last month na nag-take profit na ako around this area nung the moment umakit siya dyan. But yun na nga, right now, wala akong open na trade ngayon. Yung huling trade ko dito na dapat na bullish divergence at the same time yung falling wedge. Diba nag-place ako ng stop loss doon. Na-hit na yung stop loss doon and then nag-close na yung position ko. So, yun nga. wala akong kahit anong trade ngayon na naka-open. So right now, I am just waiting this one out to form the next move dito, which is this double top pattern. And yun nga, double top pattern is a big move. But yeah, in the meantime na wala pang nangyaring Bitcoin move, make sure to trade this guys kay Bybit and make sure to learn the different indicators na you can actually learn sa ating Gabs Crypto 101 playlist. It's actually a free playlist that you can find in the description down below. And if wala pa kay account with Bybit, make sure to use our sign up link. You can find that guys in the description down below. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.